Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Getcontact app. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will go down to click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will write the name of Getcontact and you will search about it here in this list. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.